Students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna have lessons of week 3, writing fractions as decimal lessons. I want to write the fractions in equivalent to decimal. So if I have here 1/8 or eighth, okay, I want to get this eighth into what? Into a decimal. So what should I do? I want to make this multiple of 10, so I will multiply it by what? Remember, multiply it here by um, 125. So multiply both by 125. Down I will have in the denominator, I will have 1000, and up 125. This means that I'm getting here what? 0.125. When you got 0.125, okay, when I got 0, okay, I need the marker. When I got 0.125, this means what, guys? This means that I have terminating means what? No repeated decimal. But what if I did this one? 5 divided 6, 5 divided 6, which means 5/6. This is fraction is called division, of course. So 5 divided 6 gives me what? It can't be, so I will write 0 point and add here the 0. 50 divided 6 gives me what, guys? The nearest thing for this, yes, this will be 8. 8 times 6 gives me what? 8 times 6 gives me 48, so I got here 2. 2 divided 6 can't be. 20 divided 6 gives me what? The nearest thing is 3, then 18. I got here again 2, then add the 0. 20 divided 6 give me 3, and so on. 3, 3, 3, unlimited 3, repeated 3 forever. So instead of writing all of those 3, what should I write? I will write just 1 3, and above I will write a bar. So this is called what? This is called a repeated decimal. So he asks me here to write the 2 and 2/5 as a decimal. I will start with the 2/5. It means here 2 plus 2/5, by the way. And this is a mixed number, you know? Yeah. So what should I do? I will take the 2/5. I will here divide 2 divided 5, which gives me what? 2 divided 5 can't be, so 0 point, and I will add the 0. 20 divided 5 gives me 4. 4 times 5, 20, and then I got 0, 0, no remainder. This means the answer will be 0.4, terminating 1. So I have here 2 plus 0.4, which gives me 2.4. Very easy one, I think so. What if I want to compare here less than, more than, or equals 2/3 and 3/4? I have two ways I can convert them into decimals, and I showed you how. Or I can use the LCM, or I can make the denominator the same. If I did this way, I got that 0.6 repeated and 0.75 terminated one. So what's the relation here? 0.6 is less than 0.75. I'm comparing here this one, and I'm comparing here this one. Okay, this is what? This is the 10th place value, and this is also the 10th place value. 7 is greater than 6, however 6 is repeated, it doesn't matter. So I can here take the denominator. Yeah, I can have here 2/3, and I can have here 3/4. I don't have here common. What should I do? I will here multiply 4 times 3 gives me the 12, and then cross multiplication. 4 times 2 8, and 3 times 3 9. So you got here 9 over 12, and the other one 8 over 12, which is greater 9 over 12, of course. So here 3/4 will be greater than 2/3. And this is the practice. Please do this as homework, and it's very easy. What about the rational numbers? Set of whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Such numbers like 5 over 5, it means 1. 9 divided 1 gives me 1. It gives me 9. 25 divided 5 gives me what? Gives me a real number 5. Are also called whole numbers because they can be written as a member of set. As I told you, each fraction here gives me a number. The set of of integers is the set of whole numbers and the opposites. The set of rational numbers consists of numbers like here the fractions a over b, where a and b are what? Integers. B cannot be 0, remember that. Third and negative 5 are rational numbers. Some decimals, guys, are rational numbers that decimals either terminate, okay, terminate that end, and or they go on forever. It means the repeated one. The repeated decimals, we talked about this, we put a bar above its last digit. Okay, guys, if I have, let's practice this one. Express each decimal as a fraction or mixed number. 0.6. What do you think, guys? Number one, 0.6. This is what? Express the decimal as a fraction. 0.6, it's 3 divided 5. How can I do this one? It's 0.6. I'm talking about 6 over 10, right? What about if I simplify? Simplify means divided. Make it, it's in the simplest form, divide both by 2. So it will give you 3 over 5. Excellent. What about here? This is the same. What else? Negative 0.15 repeated one. So how can I solve this one? It means that I'm having 15 over 100. Okay, 15 over 100 and negative 1. So what did I do here? I will simplify. So name the sets of numbers to which each number belongs. Let's see this one. I have here the first 3/8, it's a rational number. Negative 1280, this is a rational, and what else? Integer. I have negative 2.5. Negative 2.5, of course, it's a rational number, and the other one also rational number. What about comparing? I have here third and 0.3. When I say third, it's 1 divided 3. So it can't be 0 point, and then add the 0. 10 divided 3 gives me what? 3. 3 times 3, 9. Here again the 1, and then add 0, 3, 3. So it's 0.3 repeated. Okay. So they are the same, equal. And the other one I have negative 2 and 2.25. Negative is less than 2.25. Okay, guys, easy one. And here, if he asks you about the greatest number, what should I do? I will make the denominator the same. Okay, getting the LCM of the denominator. What about multiplying rational numbers? I have a rule. I will multiply the above, the numerator by the numerator, and the denominator by the denominator. Then simplify. 1 times 2, 2. 5 times 3, 15. The other one, the same. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 5, 20. 6 and 20 we have common. So divided by 2, 3 over 10. And this is very easy. What about if I have here negative times negative gives me positive? Negative 9 over 10 multiplies negative 3. Negative 3, it's over 1. Okay, gives me the same answer. So negative times negative positive, 27 over 10. So it will give you what, guys? 2.7. Okay, what's the product of? It means here I need to know the multiply. I will need to multiply 12 over 20 and 2 and third. 2/3. Means, do I have to make the denominator the same? No, you don't have to unify the denominator in multiplying or dividing here the rational numbers. It's here just, we are here doing what? We are just multiplying them. What about the dividing? Dividing is the same, but I want to do something else. If I have half divided 7/8, what should I do here? I will take the reciprocal of 7/8. So I will change the divide into multiply and take this fraction, take the reciprocal of this fraction. It will be instead 8 over 7. What do you mean? I mean that half will be half, then multiply, and instead of 7 over 8 it will be 8 seventh. Then I will multiply 1 times 8, 8, 2 times 7, 14. Leave it like this or simplify. Simplify means divided by the common, divided by 2, divided by 2 gives me here 8 divided by 2, 4, 14 divided by 2, 7. So it will be 4 seventh. Okay, easy. If I have a mixed number, what should I do now? Converted into improper. So 2 times 1, how can I convert it? 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. So I got 3 over 2. I got here 5 over 6 divided 3 over 2. What should I do for this? I will multiply, convert it into multiply, and then make it 2 over 3. Okay, guys, 5 times 2, 10, and then 6 times here, then 6 times what? 6 times 3 gives me here 18. Okay, then what should I do? Simplify means divide it, so it will give you 5 ninth. Okay, estimate here the solution of each equation. What should I do here? I'm here having divided, so 6 over 10. Let's solve together. 6 over 10 multiplies the inverse of 5 over 8. It will be 8 over 5, and then multiply very easily. Easy one? I think it is. We have here students at Midtown. Let's have the problem solving. Students at Midtown Middle School decided to make a donate dog leashes to the local animal shelter. They had 150 meters of leash rope. Each leash was to be 1 and 2/3 meters long. How many leashes the students make? So I got here. What do you think, guys? What should I do? It's easy, division. So what should I do, guys? Here I'm gonna take the 150 meters divided by 1/2/3. When I say it's divided by 1 and 2/3, I will convert the 1/2/3 into what? Into improper. 3 times 1, 3, plus 2, 5. 5 over what? 5 over 3. When I want to multiply, I will take the, yes, I will take the reciprocal, 3 over 5. 150 times 3 over 5. Let's simplify. Divided 5. Divided 5 gives me 1. Divided 5 gives me 30. Then this 30 times 3 gives me what? 90, guys. So the answer is 90. I hope you understood everything. Please, if you have any questions, send me on the SCL. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.